They are pulling the rug from silver. Unthinkable. The rug is being pulled out from the silver market, and you're about to find yourself in for a big surprise. No one would ever think this can happen, and it is absolutely happening right now. Check this out. This is from silverseek.com, and the headline reads, "Silver demand in the solar sector could squeeze silver supply in the future." The article starts by saying, silver use by the solar energy sector is one of the primary factors driving the overall demand for silver, and there is reason to believe photovoltaic silver offtake will continue to increase in the years ahead. Check this out. Not only is the demand for silver panels growing, but the amount of silver used in each panel is also increasing. The article shows industrial demand for silver set a record of 654.4 million ounces in 2023, and it is expected to hit new highs this year. That's the Silver Institute's numbers, and we know those are conservative. Let's continue. Silver is the best conductor of electricity of all metals at room temperature. That makes it a vital input in the production of solar panels. This shows exactly why the demand for silver is skyrocketing. To make a solar panel, now I'm going to go a little in the weeds here, but it's important to know. To manufacture solar panels, silver is formed into a paste that is applied to the front and back of silicon photovoltaic cells. The front side collects the electrons generated when the sunlight strikes a cell, while the back side helps to complete the electrical circuit. Each solar panel uses approximately 20 grams, that's almost a full ounce of silver. Now, this may seem like a small amount, but the total adds up quickly when you consider the number of panels produced each year. The solar industry used approximately 100 million ounces of silver in 2023, and accounting for about 14% of total demand. So newer, more efficient technologies use 20 to 120% more silver. Now, watch this. Heterojunction technology is beginning to dominate the solar market. These cells are even more efficient. They can capture energy on both sides of the panel, and according to this research, they use even more silver. Demand for these more efficient panels is growing. That means higher demand for silver. This impacts the price of silver that we pay as we stack silver. By 2050, solar panel production will use approximately 85 to 98% of the current global silver reserves. That's not including electric vehicles. That's only solar. This is going to pull the rug out from under us and send the price of silver to the moon. According to this article, the silver market is already running significant deficits with silver demand outstripping supply. The structural deficit in 2023 came in at 184.3 million ounces. This is also from silverseeker.com, and this headline reads, "Silver demand outstrips supply for third straight year." And the article looks at that 184.3 million ounce deficit and says, this comes on the heels of a 2022 production shortfall that the Silver Institute called possibly the most significant deficit on record. It also noted that the combined shortfalls of the previous 2 years comfortably offset the cumulative surpluses of the last 11 years. Yes, 11 years. The article says, while silver demand was down in many sectors, check out this number. Industrial demand of 654.4 million ounces set a record in 2023. And the Silver Institute said ongoing structural gains from green economy applications underpinned these advances. But this article also shows that the Chinese silver industry, their demand rose by a remarkable 44% to 261.2 million ounces. We already know that China is in the middle of their own silver rush. Now, this green revolution is here, and you and I, as silver stackers, we need to accept that this overwhelming demand is going to pull the rug from this comfortable spot price that we're enjoying. And this is exactly why I diversify my investments. I want to thank American Solar's Lithium Inc. for sponsoring today's video. Their ticker's on the screen. It's CSE, USLI, and OTC, ASALF. Investing in lithium now is imperative. The market is poised for explosive growth. Just look at the demand for electric vehicles, the demand for renewable energy storage. That demand is going to continue to surge, fueled by strict climate regulations and green energy mandates globally. Projections indicate that global lithium demand could triple by 2030. Triple. EVs alone will account for a substantial portion of this increase because major automakers are rapidly expanding their electric and hybrid offerings. Plus, Plus, lithium-ion batteries remain the cornerstone of energy storage technologies, the cornerstone. The batteries are crucial for integrating renewable energy sources into the grid. Now, just like we're seeing in the silver market, there's a supply-demand imbalance for lithium because the mining is capital intensive and mining companies are under the thumb of stringent environmental regulations. American Solar understands this, and they know it equates to soaring lithium prices and unparalleled investment opportunities. This is the time that I like to get into a sector, and specifically this company. Right before the market recognizes the full extent of an impending shortage, you can tell I'm excited about this. It's rare to be able to position yourself to capitalize on the pivotal role a metal is about to play in the global energy transition. Lithium is the metal, and American Solar's Lithium Inc. is set to be a major player in this field. Check out these details. They have a tightly held stock with only 23 million shares outstanding and up over 100% within the last 6 months. ASALF Limited conducted tests achieving a 93.2% lithium extraction rate from brine at Candela 2. You heard that correctly. 93.2% extraction rate from brine. And that indicates high efficiency and potential for significant lithium supply contributions. They have multiple strategic locations in Argentina and Nevada. They're located on both the Incahuasi Solar and the Poquito Solar, surrounded by major lithium companies. When lithium turns, they are set in place. This is exactly when I like to make my move, just when a company is set to blast off and the sector has a massive demand swell. Check out American Solar's Lithium Inc. Perform your own due diligence. Their ticker is on your screen. It's CSE, USLI, and OTC ASALF.